question says the n term of a sequence is represented by 3x times 2 raised power 2 minus n. Write down the first three terms of the sequence. That is, there is some numbers attached to 3x and such that is multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 raised power 2 times 3x times 2 raised power 2 minus n. Then we are going to assume that number n is equals to 1, or the number may be n is equals to 2, and the n may be equals to 3. Then we are going to test these three numbers since they asked to find the next three terms. Then we are going to represent when n is equals to 1, or n is equals to 2, or n is equals to 3 in the series of number. That is, here is times 3 times a number. Then we are going to have 3 times 2 raised power 2 minus n when n is 1. Then we are going to test when n is 1, when n is 2, when n is 3. Then when n is 1, then we have comma. We are going to test 3 times 2 raised power 2 minus 2 here, comma. We are going to test for n is equals to 3. When n is equals to 3, let's then test. We have 3 times 2 raised power 2 minus 3. Then we are going to test for this. We are going to multiply this. We are going to have 3 times 2 raised power 2 minus 1. We have 2 raised power 1. 2 minus 1 is 2 raised power 1. We have comma. We have 3 times 2 raised power 0 is 2 minus 2 here is 0, comma. Then we have 3 times 2 raised power 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 here we have minus 1. Then the next thing to do here, we can simplify as 3 times 2. Any number raised power 1 is same as that number. 3 times 2 here we have